Hey guys, I'm Jalisia. Welcome back to my channel. Over here, we talk about fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and handbags. So if you're into that, just keep on watching. So today we will be talking about the handbag part that is part of my channel. So we will be unboxing a handbag today. This is from Monty Boutique. It's a boutique in Italy, and I've been so excited to open this. This bag has been on my list for a while. I did not talk about it in any of my wish lists, but this has for sure been a bag that I had my eye on for a while, and I'm so excited. I actually got this in yesterday. And I did not open it. I am opening it here first. Okay, I'm gonna just have to do this. I just have to take the box because I'm so excited. And honestly, guys, I have not been buying any bags for a while. The last bag that I bought was actually the Paco Rabanne bag, the pink one. But yeah, that was the last bag that I bought, and I was just like, I've just been like handling my stuff. But I was like, the last quarter like of this year, like I'm gonna be buying like all the bags that I want, like infinity stones. Like I'm gonna be grabbing them all because I deserve it. So yes. I love how it's like packaged too. It's packaged really nicely. So as you can tell, this is Ferragamo. And this is a brand too that I have been loving so much. Like their bags have been gorgeous to me. Oh, it's wrapped so nicely. It's wrapped so nice. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh, this is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, guys. And then, if you haven't noticed, that's why I have on the black, so I can show you guys. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, guys, this is fabulous. So let me get up real quick so you can see it. So the reason why I actually got this was because I have a black and gold bag, and the black and gold bag I've had, I think, since like college, and I'm like, I really need a top handle black and gold bag. So it's somewhat replacing this bag. Let me show you. Yeah. So it's kind of replacing this bag in a way. I mean, I'll probably still use this one, but this one is gorgeous. It's so gorgeous. It's just like, look at that. Oh, beautiful. So, you know, I can wear it with stuff like this. So it's very it's just very sophisticated, like such a sophisticated bag. It also comes with a strap. So let's do the strap. I think you just hook it on like that. And I was curious about how the strap hooks. So there's this like, so here's the hook, and then it has like this long piece of gold in there that you just, oh wait, it'll be better like this, right? You see that? So that is what you hook it on. Oh, let me look at what I'm doing. Crossbody is not bad at all. Crossbody isn't bad. Look how gorgeous. Okay, so let's get into some reasonings and details and all that. So the reason why I had this on my list, like I said, is because I really wanted something to replace my black and gold handbag, and I bought that from Zara years ago. So I wanted something a bit more sophisticated, and this caught my eye like probably like a year ago or so, and I just thought that it would just be a great just like a great option. It's plain, it has the specks of gold, and I just thought that it was really nice. And then also when Hailey Bieber was pregnant, she worn it like a couple times. Like she wears the brand like in general, but with this bag she wore it a couple times while she was pregnant. So it was already on my list, but I was like, I seen those pictures and she looked gorgeous, like as always, in style to the gods. But when I seen that, I was like, crap, like I probably need to get this before it goes any higher. So then I was looking online, and then I seen that Satire, which is an amazing site that you can get authentic pieces for sometimes, like, I won't say half the cost, sometimes half the cost, but definitely look into Satire. They are authentic. I think that the reason why it's so cheap is because it's coming straight from like Italy and France. So on Satire, it was going for like $900, so it would bounce between $900 and $700 or whatever. So yeah, but usually it was like 1,000 and then 900, and I seen it for 700 like for like a week or two, and then it changed. So I was looking, and like I seen that Monty Boutique had it for like $700. So I was like, oh my gosh, like I definitely need to hop on it. And I did some research, and Monty Boutique is it's an Italian boutique, and they sell authentic designer stuff. Looked it up on Trustpilot, and Trustpilot also has great reviews on it as well. So I knew that it would be authentic. And so yeah, so I decided to pull the trigger. So it was €6.93, and then I think that in US it came out to $7.75, I think, like around there, which if I might add, on the Ferragamo website, it's $1,900, and I swear that sometimes it goes from $2,100 to $1,900, and then sometimes it goes back up. So I don't know, but you know, but basically the bag is around the $2,000. It's about $2,000, and I got this for $775, and it is gorgeous. Like, this is just so classy. This is so sophisticated. Like, I am obsessed. So let's get into some let's get into the details. Oh my god, what is that? Let's get into some details. The product details is the new contemporary take on our Wanda bag, featuring geometric lines and smooth calfskin panels in understated construction with integrated handle and satin finish. Goncini buckles on the side. Carry it as a handbag or shoulder bag with the detachable strap. So the height is 7 inches, the length is 7 inches, and then the width. So the height is 7 inches, the width is 7 inches, and sorry, oh my god. The height is 7 inches, the length is 7 inches, and then the width is 2 inches. And this is calfskin, and it's made in Italy, and this came from an Italian boutique. So this is from Italy, and this is just the color black that they have, and I'm obsessed with it. I love it. I love black. I say all the time, like, I love black. I wear black a ton. And yeah, so this is gonna be the first bag. I think I'm gonna have about 2 or 3 more bags that I'm gonna get before the year is over. So yeah, this is my first one, and I love it, and I highly recommend. I think Ferragamo, it's starting to get the praise that, like, I guess like it deserves, but I feel like it has been very understated for a while. But I feel like right now it's like It's making moves. It's making big moves, and I'm obsessed with it. I'm obsessed with it. I love it. And then I do want to add that this is a classic style. This is just redone. And then before I go, I'm pretty sure that this can fit a phone. Let me put my phone in here. And it did fit in there. The stuffing is still in there, but it can fit your phone, it can fit your lipstick, your wallet, it can fit a good amount of stuff. Yes, guys, if you guys enjoyed this bag unboxing and this video, give me a like and subscribe. If you watched all the way, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.